Hey everyone, if AppFlowy keeps crashing, closes unexpectedly, freezes and shuts down, or crashes when opening workspaces and notes, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy crashing problems in 2026. First, restart AppFlowy and reopen the application. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause crashes that disappear after a fresh launch. Another helpful step is checking your available storage space and memory. Low system resources can make applications unstable and increase the likelihood of crashes. If you're using AppFlowy's cloud synchronization features, verify that your internet connection is stable. Sync issues can sometimes contribute to application instability. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact AppFlowy support and provide details about your operating system, AppFlowy version, device specifications, workspace size, and any error messages you receive before the crash. And that's how to fix AppFlowy crashing problems in 2026. In most cases, updating the application, freeing system resources, clearing temporary data, and reinstalling the software will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.